At Zaksee Bird Sanctuary, what we do is we try to save birds, as many as we can. At Zaksee Bird Sanctuary, we don't breed, sell, or trade any of our birds. But it's not always easy. We always need help, and we try to educate people. Baby, 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 baby. Hello, baby. Zaksee Bird Sanctuary is an educational facility. Can we visit the sanctuary? Anyone can visit the sanctuary as long as they sponsor at least one of the birds in the sanctuary. Zaksee Bird Sanctuary not only was the best non-profit in the United States, but also we've been voted one of the best in the world.